Enter the Database Manager from the main window by clicking the Database Manager button. Select Database is used to select a working database copy. To select a new database, click on Select Database. In the opened dialog window, choose the desired database file. The currently selected database is displayed in the database path. Move Database is used to move the current database to a new location. To move a current database, click on Move Database. The dialog window opens, which lets you choose the target folder for a new database location. Confirm the selection, and the database will be moved to the selected folder. The currently selected database is displayed in the database path. Backup from database is used to back up data from the current database. To create a backup of the current database, click on Backup from Database. There are two options. You can create a backup of all the data or only a specific project, visit, subject, or test. To back up the entire database, select Backup All Data. To back up the data for a specific project, visit, subject, or test, click on Backup Filtered Data. Select the project, visit, subject, and test you want to back up. In case you want to back up the data for a specific test, uncheck Project, Visit, Subject and select only a test for which you want to back up data. After you finish the selection of the data for backup, click on the Destination Folder button. The dialog window opens, which lets you choose the target folder for the backup. Confirm the selection, and the data will be copied to the selected folder. Click Confirm to start the backup process. It is recommended to regularly back up data to a remote location, such as an external hard drive, to protect against data loss. Restore to Database is used in case you want to replace the current database with another database. In this case, you have to be aware that the data in the current database will be permanently deleted. If you need the current database, create a backup of that database before you start with Restore to Database. To restore data, click on Restore to Database. In the opened dialog window, choose the desired backup file. Confirm the selection, and the data will be copied to the application. Import Database (merge) is used to merge data from the current database and imported database. To select the database for import, click on Import Database (merge). In the opened dialog window, choose the desired database file. For each project, select the action you want to be performed. The action Add will add a new project to the current database. The action Merge will merge the project data from the imported database with the project you select from the current database. Click Next. For each visit, select the action you want to perform. The action Add will add a new visit for a selected project to the current database. The action Merge, if available, will merge the visit data from the imported database with the visit you select from the current database. Click Next. For each subject, select the action you want to be performed. The action Add will add a new subject for the selected visit to the current database. The action Merge will merge the subject data from the imported database with the subject you select from the current database. The action Merge is available only if the subject with the same name, sex, date of birth, or subject ID already exists in the current database. Delete from database is used to delete data from the current database. To delete data from the current database, click on Delete from Database. There are two options. You can delete all the data or only for a specific project, visit, subject, or test. To delete all the data, select Delete All Data. Click Confirm to delete all data at once. To delete data for a specific project, visit, subject, or test, click on Delete Filtered Data. Select project, visit, subject, and test for which you want to delete data. In case you want to delete the data for a specific test, select only a test for which you want to delete data. After you finish the selection of the data, click Confirm to delete the filtered data.